2016 Scion M is essentially a rebadged Toyota Auris four-door hatchback, a model sold primarily in Europe, Japan, and Australia. In other markets, a hybrid and diesel engine is available in addition to two gas engines along with the wagon body style. For the US market, the only engine available is a 1.8-liter i4 rated 137 horsepower and 126 pounds-to-foot of torque that's mated to a 6-speed manual or continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Fuel economy is projected at 27/36 of a mile per gallon city, highway with the manual and 30/37 of a mile per gallon with the CVT. The Scion M will have a starting price of around $20,000. Even though it uses a similar engine to the Toyota Corolla, Scion promises that the 2016 M will be more fun to drive thanks to a different suspension setup. Like the Auris found in global markets, the US spec M features a high-strength body, four-wheel independent suspension with a double wishbone layout in the rear similar to one utilized in the Scion TC Coupe. 17-inch wheels are standard equipment and come with two 25/45R/17 tires. The M's optional CVT is also shared with the Corolla and has 7 pre-programmed steps and can be controlled manually. A sport mode is also standard and changes the CVT's shift points, accelerator responsiveness, and the electric power steering's weighting. Inside, the 2016 M comes with a long list of standard features including a 6-speaker Pioneer sound system, a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 4.2-inch TFT display, rear-view camera, and dual-zone climate control. Navigation is available as a dealer-installed accessory. Like all Scion models, the M will be available a long list of available personalization options through the dealer. TRD accessories, such as anti-roll bars, lower springs, and a performance intake will also be available. In a first drive review of a Japanese spec model, we said that ride and handling are well balanced, mixing good levels of refinement and compliance with a dose of sportiness thanks to the car's independent suspension in all 4 corners. However, the stability control system, as in most Toyota products, was overly intrusive while steering feel was lacking. With the Scion M's use of the Corolla's 1.8-liter i4, the US spec hatch won't be the quickest car around, but it should prove to be a solid entry in the compact hatch class.